Back again in Puerta del Sol here in Madrid, where I found something very interesting, where I see a line that's almost 3 blocks long. This line stretches all the way back. What is this line about? Let's take a look. This line here brings its way all the way to the front for the Doña Manolita. And for my Spanish speakers out there, we know this as a lottery. Why you say this lottery is so packed? Casi. It is said that this lottery place is to be one of the luckiest ones in town. So lucky that people are willing to stretch their time, their efforts, and their energy all the way around the corner, blocks long, just to see if they can be that lucky number one in order to win the premio. Loterías, apuestas del Estado. You have to be 18 and above in order to enter. But some have their kids, as you can see. Muchos niños all around. Will they win? Who the heck knows? But would I do it? Heck no. But they're thinking that they could win. Are you guys going to win today? You think so?
Sí.
All right, let's see. Gracias. Quick interview, guys. So these people think they're going to win? Let's see. Maybe they may win. What do you think? No words. So many interesting things here in Madrid, guys. Puerta del Sol. On to new adventures. Plaza Mayor, Madrid, Spain. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. How you gonna have, what do you call this thing? What do you call this thing? This is a, I don't know, this clothes is kind of faded though. Can someone help me in the comments remember Despicable Me? Okay, next, this is Despicable Me, right? What is this thing called?
I don't know.
You don't,
Esponja.
huh?
Esponja.
SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob? No. This is SpongeBob. This is Despicable Me.
Yes. Sorry.
Yes. Okay, whatever this minion, that is the first time I've ever seen in my life that they use, they're using a caricature. They're using a mascot. Every time I turn around to get this guy, he's turning away from me. Goodness gracious, stay still. Stay still, minion. He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to stay still. It's like it's nuts. He doesn't want to stand still. All right, this minion keeps turning around as I'm trying to vlog him.
Hey, my friend! Hey!
He did that on purpose.
How about you? Come on, give me five! Yes! Thank you,
There you go.
five! Thank you!
There you go.
Give me in my word. Thank you for me. Thank you very much. Tips. Thank you very much.
He's hawking balloons.
Thank you very much. Tips. Thank you. It's my work.
It's my work. It's my work too.
It's my work. Thank you. Keep for me. Thank you very much.
Aren't you supposed to be taking pictures with kids? What are you doing, hawking balloons?
Okay.
That makes no sense.
Okay. Please tips.
Lo siento, señor. Lo siento. Sorry lang. Now that was funny. He kept turning around. I think he just flicked me out. Okay, so that wasn't kid friendly. So you see, guys, this type of guy should not be in a costume. Now that was funny. You like that?
Yeah.
That is not kid friendly. How you gonna hawk balloons? All right, on to the statue. What is the statue here? Who's this person up there? You don't know? I don't know either. That minion was a bad minion. He hurt my feelings. Ooh. All right, it's like a party atmosphere here, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around just to see the inscription. I'm gonna see the inscription on the other side over here, so I can read it off. Well, I may not be able to read it off because it's in Spanish, so La Reina Dona. So I don't know what that is, but they have some type of magic act. I'll let you guys watch this for free. Look inside the cup. The object is moving up. How is he doing this? How is he doing this? Oh. The power, let the power. The power. Oi. Oh. What? Merlin. Merlin is making something erect. Wow, Merlin. There are wizards and magicians everywhere we go. Here we are, guys, still in the center of Madrid. Once again, you see climate change is a big deal. Here we have Los Pueblos, Los de la Sierra, por la Justicia Climática. So climate change is alive and well. The protesters are here. Cops are here to keep order all through the streets, guys. But hey, people are still protesting for climate change. I have no voice in the matter, but hey, I'll film it, no problem. A lot of people. Today is a holiday here in Spain, the Day of the Saints. It's a holiday, so everyone's out in the streets. People are crowding the streets. Cars cannot get by, guys. It's crazy out here. See, no matter what country you're in, Spain, US, maybe even Antarctica, climate change is a big deal these days. Ask me why? I don't know. Well, they seem to be having fun. I will proceed to my next spot. Ready to go?
Gran Via.
Let's go.
No, hasta que le eche la policía.
They're motioning for some type of action. It's almost like they're going to war, guys. This is like the Romans. Front line bends down, getting ready for the harpoons. What is this? What is this tactic? This is like the offensive line of a football team. You sure your knees can handle that, sir? You sure you want to bend down like that, sir? Bravo, bravo. Well, obviously, they believe in what they're talking about, so. All right. It was a tactic of cheer. It was just a cheering tactic, guys. That's all it was. They're not about to fight. They just want to cheer. Oh, let's proceed. We actually have more issues going on. Bienvenidos. Refugrigas climáticas. I don't know. Let me get out of the street before I hurt myself. No quiero ser la alarmista, pero vamos a morir todas, a menos que acabemos con el capital. I don't know what that means, but a lot of climate change people. Let's look at another one. You can read that on your own. I'm not getting that close. Climate change is real, guys, in regards to the fight for climate change. But other than that, I know nothing of it. Nothing. Woo! It's crazy out here. All right, you ready again?
Yeah.
Yes, we have travel nets here accompanying me. No, not today. Beautiful sights out here in Madrid, guys. Beautiful sights. All right, guys, once again, thanks for joining as I move on to my next venture here in Spain. Thanks. Here I am in Plaza España, another day in the heart of Madrid. But what's interesting behind me is not just the sirens of the ambulance moving through the crowds and people not stopping for the ambulance, which is kind of crazy. Salud Madrid. What's interesting to me is this amount of graffiti behind me. This here is essentially a graffiti wall. Right across the street from the Hotel Rui, Plaza España, we have an entire wall that seems to be dedicated to graffiti. Why do you ask? I don't know. But the question is it considered a bad thing now or just a work of art? I will walk this entire wall, this entire post of straight graffiti. All different symbols. Another thing I see is this word Antifa. I hear that word a lot in the United States. What is Antifa? Why are people advertising these things all over the world? Graffiti all over. And across the street, that is the Hotel Rui Plaza España. Very nice, opulent building. Look how big it is. Morning, sunshine behind. Very beautiful hotel. Back to the graffiti wall. Many tourists are here, but because I'm early in the morning, I beat the rush. So no photo bombing for now. Let's go down this corridor where you'll see even more graffiti. Oh wow, Jimbo Mona. This one has an afro with earrings. What does this mean? I don't know, but does he look like me? But hey, even my brothers get love here in graffiti. Oh, got the necessary male organ picture. Always where it should be. Hola, buenos dias. All right. More and more and more graffiti all over. Plaza de España. And my question is, you can see this is spray paint. Where do they have the time to just do this? What do the cops say when they see someone sitting there spraying for hours on end? Do they not say anything? Do they not say anything? It's just weird to me, guys. Very weird. Graffiti wall. This is essentially a full street block of dress graffiti. Gloria, Eterna, Slavia, Yusuf. Where's she from? Wow, even more on the other side. Stickers, graffiti, all over. How far does it go down? Sorta niche. They even put their names on the end of it as if it's like a work of art. They're not even scared to promote themselves and say, hey, I drew this. Ha! That's hilarious. Black metal. Me gustas más que el dinero por el culo. Oh, let's not say that word. This is funny. Let's see how far I can go down. So once the wall ends, you have a certain side street, graffiti towards the bottom. Plaza de España. Aparcamiento. And now when the wall is done, now we have the tarp. As there's construction in the back, towards the statue right over there. Popeye gets his due. Hola, señor. All right, so I see that they're probably going to create a park, a playground for kids, but graffiti's all over it. Wow. Even the kids are being defaced around here. We have our tourists. Wonderful. Look at that. Wonderful streets that they're about to make around here in Spain. But man, oh man, this graffiti is all over the place. It's nuts. Watch your step. All right, guys, I could just keep going on and on and on about this graffiti, but hey, I think you get the point. So on I go down to the other portion of Plaza España to see what else Madrid has to offer. Thanks for joining, guys.